We're just on our way to see the Facebook Marketplace Corsa. It's a 1.3 diesel. It's had a front end accident, so it looks like we're going to need 2 wings, a bonnet, a bumper and a headlight. Let's see what it looks like.
Guys, so we've bought another car. What are we saying?
This is even worse than the first one, mate.
That's it.
It is angled in, actually, the wheel. It is angled in on this side, just slightly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't even drive it home.
No, we're going to have to find a place to dump it and come back with a trailer.
Bodywork, wing is damaged, bumper, bonnet, it's rusty in it. Then the wing on the other side. But then there's something wrong with the suspension.
The suspension, what's happening is, with the wheels straight now, well, basically straight, where the wheels are 90%, I mean, I can go a bit straight, it's actually angled in on this wheel. The front is angled in, and at the same time, it's wearing the outer edge only, to the point where...
Really bad. We've only done about, what, 2 miles?
Yeah.
Maybe 3 miles in it?
3 miles maximum, and it's just going to go straight through that tyre. I mean, that's the steering wheel straight now. So this side is actually pretty straight.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah.
This is in.
Yeah.
That's how bad it is.
So that's why it's wearing on that edge. So we're loving it, boys and girls.
Because at home we've got another one, exactly same colour. It's a bit newer, because 2012,
But the engine's gone on that one.
So we thought we're gonna swap parts onto this one, but for now we can't even take it home.
So we can carry on, but it's like burning the tyres up as we're going. So the inside edge on this tyre is red hot, because it must be putting way too much tension, like camber, on one edge. We'll get to Mackey's anyway, and then we'll see from there. But there's something somewhere, it's pulling it, like the camber's completely off. So, I mean, like they say, it might get us home, or I might need to bring them other 2 tyres tomorrow. But the camber's not right on it, really.
So we can't drive it.
So we're going to try to adjust the 2 strut bolts. Often they're the camber adjuster, so that we're going to try to pull it further inside. But it's possible that the bottom wishbone is pushed in, because I think there's a camber adjuster on there as well. What's this? Oh, that's that right? But I'm going to get on. So these 2 bolts here, from what I've seen online, these are the camber adjusters. So hopefully we can undo those strut mounts. Yeah, where the strut mounts into the hub, and readjust the camber from there, and maybe slide them in just a drop more, so that instead of it being too far in, we can level it back up again.
There's so much pressure on this side of the tyre, just this side, that we can't really drive it.
Yeah.
And we've got to, there's a long journey home, an hour.
A long journey home, really. I'm going to borrow this, mate.
Yeah, mate.
So it's not the best.
It's not looking good.
No, we might have to abandon. 5 minutes we're done. 5 minutes we're gone.
Because it's a car washing.
Yeah. 5 minutes we're done, mate.
We won't be long.
Sorry.
I'll move that with something, yeah? Yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate. Thank you.
Guys, we are repairing it at a
off.
garage.
Done it. All right, mate. I don't think it's made any difference, but we're going to put the wheel on, and we're going to find out anyway. If it has, it's very, 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 very minor. And to be honest, I don't think it will have done. But we're going to find out.
So what's happening now? I just came to GSF car parts just to get a wishbone, and Chris has already taken the wheel off, and hopefully, the new wishbone will sort it out. But I'm not too sure. Right, guys, we've got a new wishbone. And the old one is bent. That's it. So hopefully, innit, Chris?
Hopefully.
It's gonna sort it out.
Everything's tight, that's it.
Oh, mate.
That's it. So, we're going to check now. I think the centre roll bars might be bent, but it doesn't matter at all.
We're just checking if the new wishbone sorted it out or not. Hopefully. Hopefully we can drive it back now.
I think that's discs, yeah?
I think so, but it sounds better.
Oh, it's loads better. It's loads better. We're happy now. I think it's just the disc catching. I'm happy, mate, I'm happy. Guys, we just got back. I changed the wishbone, okay, because the wishbone was actually bent, even though I didn't think it was. So £30 later, we changed it at the side of the road, as I'm sure you saw. We finally got back. It drove actually okay on the way home, about 65, 70 miles an hour. It was all right. The steering wheel's tilted to the side still, but it drove straight and true, and it wasn't dangerous like it was before. So let's have a look at everything that's wrong with the car.
Yeah, so we need a new wing, definitely. We need a new bumper. Then we need a new bonnet, because that one is rusty. So, and as we've got another car, then it's just better to swap into. We need that wing as well, but we might as well swap the door if the other one is better, because that one is scratched. But if not, then
it's no better on the other one.
Yeah, so
it's actually worse. I think they've hit a wall on the other one on this side.
Okay.
So we might have to just blend that. I mean, we'll have a look anyway.
Yeah, we'll show you
it on the camera
anyway.
Yeah.
Then we need a new headlight, definitely. But the other one is a facelift model, so we will need to swap the pretty much full front end from the other one.
So from what I've read, the bonnet is the same, the headlights are different, the bumper's different, and the wings are the same.
Yeah.
So obviously that bonnet's rusty anyway, so we'll swap the bonnet, we'll swap the wings anyway because they're knackered. We'll swap both headlights, and then the bumper's absolutely knackered as well, especially if you look on this side, like it's already hanging off, it's
missing part and
missing it here. This is broken. We might have to look at these brackets as well. So we'll show you though, it's not had like a front end impact, it's just had both front side impacts. So actually, like the radiator and everything isn't bad. There's the front panel's not bent. There's nothing here, like structurally that's bent or anything. It's just both sides.
And you might think, why are we doing that one and not the other one? But in the other one, the engine has gone.
The engine's gone, and luckily for us, the bumper's okay, the bonnet's okay, the lights, the wings, but everything else on the car's pretty bad. I mean, we'll show you around it anyway, but everything else is pretty bad on that one. It is a 2012, it has got low mileage, but
it would be a bigger job.
Every single corner is knackered really.
Because it wouldn't be just an engine swap, we would need to respray it.
Yeah, the whole car really.
The whole car,
yeah. So I think, listen, right, the other one's not perfect on the wings and stuff like that, but if the colour's the same, so I paid only £100 for that other car, which is right around scrap value. I might even be able to make a little bit on top of it, but we can change all the parts for free, and then I can still get my £100 back. Do you know what I mean? So you can fix it literally for free.
Yeah.
The battery's really good in the other one, so I got a good battery now as a spare. We drove this home an hour, and it hasn't lost any coolant. I'm going to check the oil. It is leaking a little bit of oil.
It is, yeah.
And I don't know where from. I haven't looked yet. Now it could be that they're just filling it up, and they're just spilling it everywhere. But I mean, it's wet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crazily wet underneath. Oil cap looks okay. Obviously, no signs of head gasket. No signs of head gasket with this side. It is, like I say, running a little bit rough on tick over, especially when it's cold. But that is most likely down to the EGR valve. There is some paperwork with it as well, actually. It doesn't say about a timing chain or a cam belt. There is one.
She said something about a cam belt, isn't it?
There's a sticker that says cam belt change at 120,000.
Well, no one knows.
Do you trust that, really? Do you know what I mean? There's no paperwork to say, even if someone did it themselves,
Yeah.
normally you'd have a receipt for the cam belt and stuff like that. If there was a receipt in it, I would say it's probably been changed. But just the sticker, nothing else, it's probably not been changed.
Can't trust, isn't it?
It's done nearly 150,000 miles. So if it is running all right and we do get it driving okay, then obviously we can look at doing a cam belt as well. Guess who's back?
Oh mate, it's different colour.
Different. My dad said it's different. I was like, no, it's not. It's different, yeah?
This is 22A,
Okay.
and the other one. Different colour. Look at that, guys. Completely different colour.